Breakfast on a Blackstone Griddle. Okay, we've got our ingredients. I'm going to try and make some hash brown. I've got some grated potato there, tomatoes, mushrooms, got the eggs, got some black pudding here, chipolatas and some treacle bacon. Put some oil down on the griddle. I've never tried hash browns before, just grated some potatoes and it looks to be cooking. And that's it. Breakfast cooked on a Blackstone Griddle in the UK. Well, that's it. All cooked on a Blackstone Griddle in the UK. Hash browns, bacon, black pudding, chipolatas, eggs 2 ways. Looking fantastic.